Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your Meta Quest 3, an easy guide. This setup allows you to enjoy a giant virtual screen, bringing your console games into an immersive personal cinema experience. We will walk through the necessary steps for streaming your PlayStation 5 titles directly to your Quest 3 headset. It is simpler than you might think and offers a fantastic new way to play. To begin, gather your PlayStation 5 console and your Meta Quest 3 headset. A stable, high-speed Wi-Fi connection, ideally 5 GHz, is absolutely essential for clear, lag-free streaming. You will also need a smartphone or a personal computer to help set up the PlayStation Remote Play application initially. Finally, make sure both your console and headset have sufficient power or are plugged into their chargers. Let's set up PlayStation Remote Play on your console first. Go to your PlayStation 5 settings, then select System, and find Remote Play to enable it. Next, download the official PlayStation Remote Play app onto your smartphone or personal computer. Use this application to pair your device with your PlayStation 5 console. Remember, keeping your console in rest mode ensures it is ready for remote access at any time. Now, for your Quest 3, you will need a third-party streaming solution like Steam Link or a specialized browser application. Make sure your personal computer or smartphone running PlayStation Remote Play is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your Quest 3 headset. Launch your chosen streaming app on the Quest 3 and mirror your computer or phone's display. You should then see your PlayStation 5 screen within your virtual environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.